Hey, this will be a video chart on KMAG. Done this one many times and haven't done it for a while, but had some questions begin to come in on it and comments about, hey, check out the chart again. And sure enough, starting to come back to life. And today was a very bullish day. You can see nice price reaction and nice volume. And it closed just right up here at the very crucial orange line, which is the 200-day simple moving average. So although it didn't quite close above it, it is right up here at it. So the rest of this week will be very interesting. But I think the last time I did it was somewhere right around this area. And the key thing that's been happening since, right here is that higher lows have been getting put in. And if you're not familiar with charting or whatever, higher lows is the name of the game, because with higher lows, you have the ability to do this right here, which is draw uptrend lines. So on that note, this line right here is going to be the key overall support. So there are other supports that you'd ideally like to see the price hold, and I'll talk about those in just a second. But at the end of the day, as long as this trend line here continues to hold, then the chart is, that just implies that the chart is putting in higher lows, which means, remember from level 2 perspective, that shows that people that want to buy in the bid continually have to raise the price that they're willing to pay on the bid. So that's what an uptrend line is, and what it represents. The other area of support, and this is what I would call the ideal level of support, meaning if you were to ask me, what would be probably the level that would make the chart look the strongest if it could hold. My answer for that would be right up here at 0.0048. Now, if the price does fall below there, by no means am I saying the chart's toast, because remember, we have this uptrend line here that the price has been doing a great job of holding. But again, ideally you'd like to see it hold 0.0048, but if it doesn't, by no means any reason to freak out. Now, in terms of resistance levels, like I discussed, the 200-day is still the key level right now, and that's valued at 0.0053. So 0.0053 is the key level of resistance right now. But after that, there is another level of resistance right up here, and that is valued at 0.0058. So I'll change that to red real quick. And that just simply comes from, if you look here, you can see 3 days in a row, price went right up there and hit its head at 0.0058. So there's some history there at 0.0058, and then after that, really things could get very entertaining, as the next level of resistance isn't until this previous high up here at this candle, which is at 0.0072. So one step at a time, but there is some nice upwards potential in here if the 200-day and then this 0.0058 level can be broken as resistance. So if volume stays strong, who knows? Maybe retesting up here if there can be some momentum that gets behind it. But overall, a great looking day, nice looking chart, as long as this trend line continues to hold. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. With your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things, from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. Also, leave your comments below. Let me know what you think about the chart and what your strategy is going forward. One more time, this was KMAG. Thanks for listening.